What else do you do what else do you do to relax apart from going to church and singing?
Watch television, listen to the news. I cook a lot.
Oh, you like to cook?
I cook a lot. In fact, when I cook, I don't taste.
Hey.
And I know that everything is okay.
Sweet.
Very delicious. I want to try that periwinkle.
Yes.
Yeah, I got pizza.
Delicious sign.
Thank you very much. I'll send
That is delicious.
Thank you.
You really said it. You don't need to taste it for me to know that it's good.